So here the question says solve 5x square minus x minus 1 equal to 0 by completing the square. So here how can you solve it? Look, 5x square minus x minus 1 equal to 0. By completing the square means we need to use this idea. A minus b whole square equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. We will use this idea to solve this problem. So here we can take 5 as a common factor. So if we divide all of these three terms by 5, we will get x square minus x by 5 minus 1 by 5 equal to 0. Now, if I move 5 on another side, then 0 divided by 5 will be 0. Now, x square minus, to make this one as a square form, we need a 2. So for this one, we will add 2 here. Okay. Then instead of 1 by 5, we need to write 1 by 10. Why? 10 by 2, 5. 10 by 2, 5. Then these two terms and these two terms both should be same. To make b square, we can say 1 by 10 is b. Now 1 by 10 whole square. So a square minus 2ab plus b square. 1 by 10 square is extra. Okay, that was not given in second line. So we will subtract it. 1 by 10 whole square will be 1 by 100. We need to subtract this one from this line. And here what will be left? Minus 1 by 5. Minus 1 by 5 equal to 0. Now from first three term we can say it will be x minus 1 by 10 whole square, and minus 1 by 100 minus 1 by 5. We need to move this one on another side, then it will be 1 by 100 plus 1 by 5. Okay, so now if we want to do the LCM, what is the LCM of 100 and 5? It will be 100. Okay, so now it will be 1 plus 520 is 100. So here we need to add 20. Then we can say x minus 1 by 10 whole square will be 21 by 100. Now do the square. So if we do the square root here, so x minus 1 by 10 will be plus minus square root of 21 by 100, or we can say plus minus root over 21 by. Now we need to move 1 by 10 on another side, then it will be x equal to 1 by 10 plus minus square root of 21 by 10. So here we'll get two answers. We can write our answer in that way. 1 plus root over 21, and another one is 1 minus root over 21 by 10. These two will be the final answer of this problem. So by using the completing the square method, we can easily solve this one.